Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to create a live search box in Excel without using VBA. That is right. So no coding required. This trick is perfect for filtering your data instantly as you type. So it's all done using Excel built-in functions. So let's get started. So here I have data that I'm going to use to create a search box. So the first thing we have to do is to convert this data into a table. So what you do is bring your highlight one of the data there, then click Control T. Once you click Control T, it will highlight the whole data in your table. Then go ahead and click OK. So once you click OK, we can go ahead and highlight the headers of this table. Then click Control C. Once you copy, you can bring your data down here and uh, just next here, down here, and click something like Control V. Now it will be copied there. Then the next thing that we want to do is to put a search box up here that you are going to use to find anything in this data. So for you to do that, you will go up here on your um, tab, Excel tabs up here, then you find this developer tab. If it is not there, just go up here and then right click anywhere on your ribbon, then go to customize the ribbon. Once you click on customize the ribbon, it will go to this section. Then you will find on this section that says customize the ribbon. You can check the developer, then click OK. Now, once you click OK, we can go ahead and click on the developer tab. So once you click on the developer tab, you go down here and look for this section that says insert. So you can click on that launch button. Then you can go down here where there's active X control. Then we want this, that is the text box that we want to use. So we will go ahead and select it. Now, since you want to insert that cell, that search box here, go as I've told you, go to insert, then go. This is the search box we want. Click on it. Then you can just come down here, highlight on that, and let go. So then there it comes your search box. Then the next thing that you have to do is to you right click on it, then click on properties. Then you find out that this thing will pop up and you can see it has a lot of information here, but we'll go down here to linked cell. Then since, let me move this on this side. Since this is on H2 like that, we'll go ahead and link it to H2 like that. Then once you're done, you can just scroll down to see that. Uh, you can go ahead and close it. Once you close it, then you can exit um, the design mode. Then you can go ahead and test, write anything in here, like for example, let's say for example test. Then right click here. Then you find that there's no information that is being displayed down here. Now, since there is no any information that is being displayed down here, but we have already made our search box, that is because we need to have a kind of a formula that will help us filter the kind of data that we need in this table. So for us to do that, we'll come down here and put an equal sign. Then we can go ahead and write filter, then click double click on that. Then you can go ahead and select the whole data here, put your cursor there, then control shift arrow down, control shift arrow left, like that. Once that data is highlighted, then you can go ahead and put a comma like that. Then let's say for example we want to filter by the first names. You will also go back here, click on that, then control shift down. That's our first name. Then we can click on equals to. We also want to take this, so we go ahead and click on the text that we want to use. So it will be our H2. Let me remove this. Okay, so we will go ahead and an equal sign we put H2. So it will be H2. H2 like that. Then the next thing that we do is we put a comma. Then let's say for example, if we search and we find nothing, we will put no match. So we put the inverted commas there, saying then we write no match, no match, no match like that. Then we put quotation mark like that. Then from there we hit enter. So once we hit enter, we can go back to our tests, our search box, and let's say, for example, we type in the name Janet like that. Let's say Janet, then perfect. Here we have the name displayed here. Let's say, for example, put in the name Janice like that. You can see the information is being displayed there in our search box. Now, you realize that using this formula that we applied here, it only searches for exact item. So, for example, if I just type the name GAA, it does not find any data in this data table. So, for us to go ahead and also do some adjusting in our formula, we will just click here where we hide our first formula. So you go ahead and do some changes here. The first thing that we will do is we will highlight the whole of this section and delete it. So go ahead and delete this section. Then once we delete it, we will insert some information. So we go ahead and use what we call is number to put there. So let's say, for example, is number like this. You double click on it. Then once you double click on it, it gives you that arrow. Then you go ahead and type search. And then it will search for that. Then we will search for H2 in our case. Put that there. Then the next thing that you do, put a comma there. Then you will search the first name. So you will come and put you highlight the first name there, then click Control Shift down key like that. Once you've gotten that, you search it by the first name. Then at the end of this, put that and close it again like that. Once you close it again, go ahead and hit enter. Now, when I type the name JA, you can see it is giving me all the first names that starts with JA. So let's say, for example, I type there the name KE. KE, it's giving me all the names of Kate, Kelly, Kenneth, and all that. Now it's starting to look quite nice. Now, you realize that when we search any name in our first table here using the first names of this table, let's say for example, they have shown you JA, all the names will pop up here. But when I go ahead and search, like for example, use their age to search like this, you find out that there's no information that is coming in here. So for you to go ahead and also search and make sure that you can use the country, the age they have, for example, 55 for Janet, and also the last name, we need to do some modification in that formula. So you go ahead and click on that. Then you go ahead and highlight the whole of this information. Click Control C, that is you copy it. Then you will come at the end of here, then put a plus sign, then Control V. Then here you go ahead and type there the name. We are using the first name, so you'll use the last name. Then you go ahead and also put a plus sign at the end of this, right there. Then put a plus sign, Control V, like that. Then we will write there country, like that. Then you will also go ahead and put another one, which is the last one, which is the age. Put a plus sign there. then Control V, then you will put in here the age like that. Then once you finish doing that, click enter. So once you click enter the information, so when you come here and you want to search Janet by age, it will still give you the search. So you just put there 55, then Janet will pop up. Very easy. If you want to search for other age, like for example, 6, or the ages that have 6, so let's say for example 60, the information will pop up here. And now you can also go ahead and search by country. So let's write there USA. You can see all the members in the USA popping up here. Then searching by their last name, let's write the name Clark. Once you just write the name Clark, it will appear. Like for example, this one, Clark. Click K, then it will appear here. You have somebody called Janice Clark. Then you can also go ahead and search other names. Now your table is looking quite nice. Now the next thing that I will do is to also to modify this search bar look quite nice like that of Google search. So for us to do that is we want to put some features here. I'll go back to insert. Then I'll pick the shape that I can use. So I can click on the shape, then I can use the rectangular shape. I just click on that. Then I'll come here and highlight this, and then let go like that. Then I can go ahead and click on this, then say no fill. I'll go to fill, no fill like that. Then I have this here, can extend it a little bit. Then the next thing I'll do is I will come and also add uh, 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 a feature here. Click on that. Then I'll go for this. Click on it. Then I'll come and drag it somewhere here like that. Then I want it to rotate, so I will rotate it like this. Then I'll make sure that it fits well in this, so that I can move it somewhere here. Make sure it fits well. You can go ahead and edit yours. Make sure you expand it so that it fits well in here. And like that. This one, take it back. Make sure it fits well in there like that. Then you can go ahead and give it a different feel. Let's say, for example, a dark feel, or let's say a blue one. This one will do. Let's say a blue one. We go ahead and pick this one. Then no outline, like that. Then since I have this, the next thing I want to do is to put here a search sign. So I'll put my cursor there, then go to insert. Then on insert, I'll click on icon. I'll go to icon. Then I'll search on the online the icons that I want to insert in this search bar. So I'll go ahead and click here search. Right there search, then it can go ahead and give me this. So I'll click on that, then go ahead and click on insert. Once it has come here, I'll go ahead and pick a graphic field, so I can go ahead and give it a white color like that. Then I come back and move it up here. I click resize it into a smaller one, then take it back here just like that. So this one will make your search box look quite nice, like that. Then once you're done putting that one there, you want to go ahead and also edit this search bar to make it quite bigger and fit inside here. So I'll go back to developer, then click on design mode, then come back here, click on your search bar, then make it expand like this. Once it expands, very nice. Then once done, click on that search, then come back here. Then now you can go ahead and search for anything that you want in your data set to make sure it looks very nice the way you're seeing mine here. And now you can be able to search anything in this search bar and use it to find any information that you want to make sure that your data is well uh, arranged. And there you go, a dynamic live search box in Excel. No VBA, no complex setup. This is perfect for dashboards, reports, or quick searches in any data list. So if this helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Excel tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. See you in the next one. Thank you for watching.